I'm Lizzy. I belong to the International Secretariat of the World Forest Movement. Today is afternoon. We are in Chile with some other organizations from all around the world, and we visited the Latin American Regional Office of FAO to present a letter in which we denounce its forest definition, because we understand that FAO's forest definitions promote the expansion of monoculture tree plantations. From this definition, companies, international institutions, and also UN institutions are using this definition to call plantations as planted forest. We are denouncing that. We are denouncing the impacts of large-scale plantations in communities, in local communities, and we are trying to generate awareness in FAO's officers to change its forest definition.